Welcome to Incredible App channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to unlock your Android phone. Now, if I lock my device and then swipe for unlock, you can see to unlock my phone. First, I have to type my password. Then just type it. Then tap on this icon and it's unlocked. And you can see it's unlocked successfully. Now, if you want to remove this lock, just go to your settings app and then scroll down and look for lock screen. Then tap on it. Then go to screen lock type, then type your current pin, then tap on continue, and here you can see 5 options: pin, password, pattern, swipe and none. Now to unlock your phone, you have to select swipe or none from here. If I select swipe, then tap on remove data, then tap on remove, and that's it. Now if I lock my device again and then swipe for unlock, and you can see there is no lock in my phone. You have successfully unlocked your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe